But first I'm going to show you this. This is a calendar. And this calendar, if those who are aware, this kind of matches 2025. And this is not actually a new calendar. This is actually a very old calendar. How old is this calendar? Well, this particular calendar is from 1986. 1986, the layout of all the days of the year and all that kind of stuff match 2025. And there's lots of calendars out there that match other years. So you can actually reuse old calendars. And what I did is I looked online on eBay and I typed in 1986 calendars and found a lot of listings. Some of them are kind of pricey. There's collectors out there that will sometimes people want $200 or $300 for, but there's a lot of stuff like this Boris Vallejo fantasy calendar that was in a stack of several calendars, and I got the whole stack for like $7, which is fun. You know, it's not the most important form of recycling, but it's definitely an entertaining one. So this one will be presented proudly on my wall for the 2025 year, and actually, because the stack had consecutive years, there's probably other years I can use. Now, the question you probably have is how do you find out which calendars are compatible that you can use, that you can search on eBay or Facebook Marketplace or wherever you buy your secondhand goods. And I'll actually have a link. There's a website that I go to that helps you figure out which calendars of what years are identical so that you can reuse. If you really like a calendar, you can hold on to it, and maybe in a few years you get to reuse it again. And that's pretty cool. Again, low priority recycling, but recycling all the same, baby. Why buy a brand new calendar when you can buy like 7 or 8 for like $10?